Welcome to another video of Dog.
Did you give your mom the box so she can get her prescription?
Oh yeah, we still have some.
So,
Oh, okay,
one
good.
there is how to make a bird to put a like these.
I'll give it to you today.
And
Does
if
your
your
mom have some?
dog,
Yeah.
Okay, good.
they can't jump on. So what you do is you need 2 pillows. Put one right here. Put one right here and another one right here. And if he can't stand up, then I have to put something under it. But you see that. But
Do you have my box?
you see,
Yeah, it's really
I
good.
mean, if you look over here,
No, I just want to, I don't want to
you see
lose
this
it
like
because
open
if I
space.
get
And
one, that's how I know.
I'll show you how to make a bird out of pillows. You see this?
Alright,
I'll make
as long
one
as
right
your mom
here,
has some, then you'll be
right
good.
here.
Okay.
So I'll teach you how to do that. But first, let's watch this. Okay. So let me go find Matt because he's sneaky. One Matt. Matt. I know you are, Matt. Come here. Say hello, Matt. Say hello. You see, he's pretty small. So make a bird like this. So you're gonna get him down right here. So what you're gonna do? What he's gonna do is he's gonna climb up here. Climb up here and jump over this. You see how he can get up? But they may not want to get up, but you have to teach them. This guy right here loves to jump. So let me get him back. You see, he loves him. He may gonna jump, but let's see. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna see if he can do it. Go. Come on. Come on. Not that way, but this way. See that? They may not want to go
Your
up.
mom has a big tube like we do?
So they can go up. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a bird.
We have a few samples. So she said
Are
she's
you
gonna
drawing out me?
Okay, good.
You better not. You did what? Alright. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a bird. That's my brother's job. So me, Jack, gonna make a bird. Make a bird right here, Jack.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a bird right here. See me? So you're gonna get a pillow and you're gonna place it right there. And you may want to see my brother real quick. A second. So how he's doing it.
You know,
Yeah, you need to step under it.
what?
This is not a smart test.
Oh.
Well, if you guys start a smart test, you'll probably know what to do. Okay, so you see what she's doing? Let me get a hard spot. Let's see. Aha. Hold on a second, guys. This is a kind of good house, but it's very small. Got a big up chair. Let's go. Let me get this so we can see everything. Hey, Jack, can you come hold the iPad?
Sure.
Hold the iPad for me so I can carry it out.
And the stuff.
Need to back it up. Like a lot.
Oh, hold on, guys. Let me pick it up so we can see what it is.
Difficulties.
Fixed.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good too. Okay, come on, Jack.
Okay, hold on.
You see, you can do it, right? Good. So, do what I do. You get a pillow, right? You see this kind of pillow, you put it on the ground, okay? From that, you put another pillow on top of this pillow. Yeah, come on, get the work.
Yep.
So you put this pillow right here.
An easier way is just to put one pillow like that and then another pillow on there.
And then if you want to make like a little hill for them to climb on, yeah, Jack, let me climb that pillow. make it like this and put a pillow in there.
Then put a small pillow like that right there.
No.
Oh,
Then you put it in here. Okay. Then you put it like that. And you put it like this. And then it's a huge jump. If you can see this. Because that kind of comes to the side. This, I'm going to tell you what to do. And you exactly what it is. So what you're going to do is, you're going to get a blanket. You're going to make a tunnel, okay? You're going to make a tunnel if you can try it. So drop, lift all the way to the canal.
like that.
Like that. And if you want to straight it out, put some pillows to hold it. That's how you make a tunnel.
Hey, Rick.
That's a good idea.
Hey, no, you don't like that.
Real good.
Wow, you're being like this.
Do not let the dog go on this, okay? This is the entrance of the tunnel.
You going? You
And
going?
you're gonna go in.
You going?
See that? That's how you make a little kind of like house. And this is the hill for him.
Hey, Rick. Hey, boys.
And then you roll up. Let's get the iPad. I'm gonna say what he does in there. Alright, yeah, put him in.
You want to go in the tunnel? Let's go in the tunnel.
You guys are gonna put that back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There he is. You see him? He loves the tunnel. He loves the tunnel. Look at that. He loves it. He may want to come out and go to the wee pad. Okay, let me tell you how he likes the hill. But you love his bed. Come on, kid. Come here, buddy. Come here. Okay, so this. Wow. Okay. So this, he will. See how you able to come. Oh, God.
Hey, man.
Come on, guys. It's time to get showered. It's getting late.
Let's get out.
That's gonna work. That's okay. Alright, yeah. Put him up
Let's
here.
go take a shower.
Okay. Yo. Hold on. You see, you put him here. So if he'll probably go up. Alright, Mitt. Hey, Mitt. Right here. Mitt. Come on, Mitt. Come on, Mitt. Come on, Mitt. Come on. Come on, Mitt. Come on, Mitt. Come on. Mitt. Come here, Mitt. Mitt, come here. Mitt. Got it. Hold on. Okay, get him up there. Okay. Hey, maybe he's gonna go. Come on, Mitt. Come on. Good boy. Over here. Come on. You got it. You. Practically climb over. Good boy. See, that's how you make a little hill. Okay. So maybe later on or something, we'll make some more videos about how you can do with the little dogs and stuff. So bye. See you later, guys.